Motion detection parking mode. We have four 1080p dash cameras here: the Thinkware F790, Iroad FX2, Gnet Geon X, and the FineView GX33. And we're going to show you during the day motion detection with impacts and at night with impacts, front and rear, to kind of give you an idea of the image quality of these cameras while in parking mode and how they react. And what really blows me away is there's a certain brand that I tested multiple times, and guess what? It's using AI damage detection for motion detection again. Same as the 70Mi, which if people have watched my other video with the 4K 70Mi AA10, where the motion detection AI decided that it was not going to pick up the video. Well, guess what? We got another dash camera, and if you watch this whole video, you're going to see at night, yet again, it doesn't pick up any movement. We even make an impact and there's no video at all. So the fact that it claims that it has this AI damage detection, very disheartening that I couldn't get it to work. And I tried twice. So the video that you see here was the second attempt at getting it working. But for some reason, it woke up as soon as I walked to the back of the vehicle. It started waking up and saying, hey, maybe there's something going on here. It's a shame because I actually feel like the camera works well at night compared to some of the other camera options that we have here. Either way, watch, enjoy, and feel free to leave comments down below about your thoughts. So we're proceeding with testing motion detection, and let's start out with buffered recording. And if you can see here, Thinkware actually has 8 seconds of buffered recording before I enter the screen. FineView follows with 7 seconds, and Iroad and Gnet have 2 seconds prior. So as we continue going, we're going to go around to the rear of the vehicle. It's going to show us coming around because the motion detection sensor is actually picking us up going to the back of the vehicle, which shows that all 4 cameras are capable of motion on front and the rear camera. Now we're going to go in and actually make an impact to the vehicle. And as you can see, we're going to make an impact, and all 4 of them registered and save them as an impact to the vehicle. So that's working great. And then we're going to go directly to the rear camera. And the rear camera, we're also going to make an impact. And it's also going to register this as a separate impact in your folder. And that's how motion detection works. Motion detection at night. Thinkware is wide awake, and then followed by Iroad and Gnet. The FineView doesn't wake up at all, even with its AI damage detection. And now we move on to the rear camera, where we can see that all 4 cameras wake up and are recording. So we can kind of see the FineView actually looks the clearest here. And then we move up to the front, and we're just going to move around. We're going to get a little bit closer to the camera, and the Gnet's very impressive. Just you can fully see my orange Monterrey, Mexico soccer jersey. So, well, there you have it. Motion detection at night and during the day. Let me know your thoughts down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. My final thoughts on all of this is you really got to be careful in terms of how your products that you're buying and how they are operating. I know even myself with Viofo, I've told a bunch of people to use auto event detection. I know there's no Viofo in here, but I know a lot of people who have used Viofo for years are very big on using low bit rate and time lapse because they find it's the most reliable parking mode. So what we might have found here is that maybe FineView's motion detection is just not reliable. That's a very possibility. I'm going to have more videos coming up. We're going to be showing time lapse. We're going to also be testing FineView and Thinkware's impact only parking modes. We'll have time lapse of the 4 brands here in upcoming videos, and we'll probably do it during the day and at night just to see how they react and how they record certain situations. We will also have current draw coming up in future videos as well. Anyways, Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hopefully you like this video. We really want to focus on education. If you do want to support us, check us out, safedrivesolutions.com. Cheers.